Okay, guys, we're gonna play hide and seek with Jason. Jason's hiding somewhere in this garage. Over here. No. Over there. Oh, wait. Something's... No. Is it back behind there?
No, he's not back there.
He's not back there? I think he might be in here.
Hello? Hello?
Dun,
Jason.
dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh!
What?
Where is he?
I don't know.
He was so here! I swear!
He's back there. Go look.
Wait, Cameron, stop breathing. I think I know where he is. What? Wait. Okay, after Cameron puts some underwear on. Dude, you guys, that's not his normal hiding spot. Usually he hides in the closet.
What is Karen doing?
I don't know. Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Would you like?
You're putting on a bikini?
Would you like to know? I bet you would.
It's going on MySpace.
Karen's going to MySpace. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, dude.
What the fuck?
Child pornography.
Oh my god, this is too much. Karen, I'm telling you, this is going on either YouTube, MySpace, or some type of form of entertainment.
No, it's not. If my
Wow.
mom finds it, I'm dead.
That's why she doesn't know my freaking MySpace, okay?
Yeah, she does.
No, she doesn't.
She knows everybody on mine.
Well, I'm gonna make a new one just to devote this to.
No, don't.
Should I do it?
What are the others? No.
Come on.
You should learn.
Yes. See, okay, you guys have a conscience. I don't, so.
Maybe you should find one.
No! Bye!